In the first impression, this question looks a bit tricky, but it can be solved with the use of linear equations. So let's assume these unknown numbers are a, b, c, d. Then the equations would be a plus b equals to 8, a plus c equals to 9, b plus d equals to 6, c minus d equals to 2, or d equals to c minus 2. Replace b plus c minus 2 equals to 6, b plus c equals to 8, c equals to 8 minus b. Substitute a plus 8 minus b equals to 9, a minus b equals to 1, a equals to 1 plus b. Substitute here 1 plus b equals to 8. 2b equals to 7, b equals to 3.5. So a equals to 8 minus 3.5, a equals to 4.5. Similarly, c equals to 9 minus 4.5, c equals to 4.5, and d equals to 2.5. These are the answers.